Hi guys, I just received my Ipsy Glam bag for October 2020 and I have taken the items out of the bag and I'm just going to show you what the bag looks like, and this is what it looks like. And it has a little, it has here the lip, the lipstick, the brush, the heart, Ipsy has like a moon, mascara, and this is like a, it looks like a blush or compact or something else, but yeah, this is what the bag looks like. And it has like the little moon and star, which is so cute. And on the inside, let me just show you the inside. The inside says Ipsy. So yeah, this is what the bag looks like. Now I'm going to show you the card that came in there, and it says Your Magic, and it says on top hashtag Ipsy Magic. And on the inside it shows the 5 products that I received in there. So yeah, this is what it looks like in the front. And I'm going to now show you the products that I received. The first product that I received is Benefit Cosmetics Gimme Eyebrow Volumizing. It says Eyebrow Gel in 4.5. And yeah, this is what it looks like. And I'll show you the inside. It just has like a mascara brush, and yeah, for the eyebrows it's just smaller. And again, this is by Benefit. Then the next item that I received is by Ofra and Cosmetics, Ofra Cosmetics, and this is a highlighter in Blissful, and it says glow goals coming right up, gorgeous, the gorgeous golden bronze highlight, and it says with rosy undertones, is a one-way ticket to the most radiant skin ever. And I won't read the rest, but it says sweep it onto your forehead, your nose, your cheekbone. And yeah, this is what it looks like. And I'm just going to show you it on my hand, how it looks. And this is what it looks like. And again, it's a highlighter. Then the next item that I received, it's product, and it's a lash Blowout Salon Volume Lift Mascara in black. And this is what this looks like. I'm not going to open it to show you because you know what a black mascara looks like. But yeah, this is what I received. And then the next items that I received, I'm going to show you one at a time. And these are face sheet mask, and this is the first one. It says Timeless Beauty Bar, and it says Face the Day. Oh, this has rose and aloe in it. And it says to depuffing, hydrating, reduces redness, and soothing. And it comes with one sheet mask in there. And this is for the face. Then the next one that I received, I don't know if I'm saying this right, Apres, and this is Repairing Cooling Face Sheet Mask. And it has seaweed extract, chamomile, and mushroom extract. And it's supposed to be anti-inflammable, and it says calming, hydrating, repairing. And it's one sheet mask in here too. Excuse me. Then my last item that I received is by the Balm, and it says Willpower, and this is a blush. I think it's Stigmata is the color, but I'll put it in the description. Yeah, and this is a blush for the face, for the cheeks, sorry. And I'm gonna show you what that looks like. I have to rub really hard to get the color out there. So yeah, it's really pretty. And this is what that looks like. And this is the Balm, and this is a blush, and it says Willpower. So yeah, these are the items that I received in my Ipsy October 2020 glam bag. So yeah, just want to thank you for watching, and please subscribe again, like I said before earlier, or give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it, and thanks again for watching. Goodbye.